welcome to my channel. Yes, it's another day and I come your way with simple awesome recipe which is known as Tart, but in Ghana we call it Tart. Yes, Tart. We usually see them on in traffic. We buy some and all that. We enjoy them with yogurt, and so that's what I'm going to share with you. Very simple and easy. And so please, if you are watching me and you have not yet subscribed, I beg, consider subscribing. Okay, click on the notification bell and share this video for me. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave all the ingredients and its quantity in the description box. So I have some margarine, water, milk, and I'm going to make use of soft flour, 4 cups. That is 4 of this. This is measured half cup in Ghanaian measurements, and so 4 cup of this. That is what I'm using. And I'm also going to make use of sugar here, and I have yellow color and also vanilla flavor. You can use any flavor of your choice. I'm using baking soda, nutmeg, baking powder, and salt as well. I'm going to leave all the ingredients in the comment section and the description box. And I'm going to use this cake pan to cut my tarts. Yes, I'm going to use that. So what we are going to do is we are going to add our margarine into a mixing bowl, and I'm going to add my sugar to it. I'll add my milk and my water to it. The milk is half cup, yes, half cup, and the water to half cup. Okay, and I'm adding salt, I'm adding baking powder, nutmeg, and soda to it, and I'm going to add my flavor to it. I just measured half a tablespoon or teaspoon, half a teaspoon, sorry, and also just a pinch of the yellow food color. If you are using the liquid color, then measure half a teaspoon, or a teaspoon will be okay. So I'm going to whisk this for about 5 to 6 or 10 minutes. Bear in mind, you're not going to get everything very smooth. No, it's going to be scrambled like this. And it's so okay. You just need to make sure that your sugar will melt. And so this is it. After, I'm going to add my flour to it. I'm going to do it bit by bit, add everything, and then I'll be mixing and adding and mixing. Yes, I'll mix with my hands. You can use a spatula to do this, but I prefer using my hands. Okay, so I'll keep on adding my flour to the mixture and be mixing. Please, if you are watching me and you have not yet subscribed, I beg, consider subscribing, like and share this video for me. Do well to click on the notification bell. It saves a lot. It helps a lot, so that whenever I upload a new video, you will get notification. If not, you will never know when I upload videos. Do you get it? Okay, and do well to share, leave a comment, like for me. And so add everything and then mix everything together. Okay, so I'm going to mix, and then we are going to knead everything. Then I'll transfer it to my board, and then I will knead it very, very, very well. So I have some flour on my board, and I'm going to knead it either using 2 hands or 1 hand to knead it for about 5 to 10 minutes. Yes, and then after, I'm going to divide it into 2, apply flour on the board, and then place one on it and roll it out. Then we'll be cutting it. So before you do this, make sure that you have greased your baking pan. Either you are going to use margarine or butter to grease the pan, and then you sprinkle some flour in it, or on it, and then make sure you get the excess of it. Or you are going to use parchment paper, line your baking sheet with parchment paper. And so at this point we are going to divide it into two, and we are going to roll it out and then cut it. Yes, you can use any cookie cutter of your choice, however you want to shape it. But you can see that usually in Ghana, the tart that we make, they sell, it has one particular shape. So that is why I'm using this cake pan to do it. So you don't roll it very light. It's not supposed to be too light. Okay, so we are going to cut this. Please like this video. This is the thickness I went for. Share this video. So I'll just place it on it. Yes, and then I'm going to place it on the other side. I'm going to get 3 out of this. So I'll take it out. So I have my baking sheet or baking pan ready, and I'm going to arrange everything in it. So I'm rolling another one. I'm adding all the pieces together, and I will knead it very well, and then we'll roll it again and then cut them out. So this is it. See, this one is heavy. Yes, so this is how the thickness is supposed to be. So I use my cookie cutters to also cut the remaining dough. Yes. So this is it. I'm going to apply milk on top. Yes, so just all over. Now I'm going to bake this. I'm going to bake this using a gas oven on a medium heat for 10 to 20 minutes. So you have to just be giving it attention so that you don't end up burning it. So I'm using a gas oven to do this. So you are going to bake this. Please like and share this video for me. And so don't wait for 10 minutes or 20 minutes before you check on it. Be checking consistently. Okay, so this is it after baking. Our tart is ready. One thing I love about tart is that you can bake them and keep them for like 1 week and you can still enjoy it. It will still be soft for you and you'll be able to enjoy it. And so this is it. Yes. Thanks so much for watching. Subscribe for me. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.